All I ask is that you don't go breaking my robot in those vaults, and what you do, break my robot in those vaults. From now on, I'm just gonna say the opposite of what I really want. Please don't give me all the money in your pocket right now. Please, oh please, whatever you do, do not destroy all those wonderful clouds. I love them so much. Okay, I was messing with you there. But if you do feel like giving me all your money and destroying the clouds, that'd actually be pretty nice. All I ask is that you...
This ancient device is the Luckatron. You can use it to increase your chances for rewards by feeding it lucky wheels, which are scattered throughout Skylanders.
Honor!
Okay, so we've just about made it to Chaos's old neighborhood. You ready to go? Alrighty, I'll just... What the?
It was those Archean security copters. They must have followed us from the vault. I think we're out of range now, but we took a major hit.
Oh, you're kidding me. We just got this thing fixed.
We're a sitting duck out here. Let's take the lander to the nearest island and see if we can find someone to fix our ship.
Is it just me, or is there something a little off about those people?
I don't think they're people. I think they're wooden dolls of some kind.
Well, whatever they are, they creep me out. And it doesn't look like they'll be much help in repairing the ship.
Maybe, but somebody must have built them. See if you can find whoever did. They just might be able to help us fix the ship. Again.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Is it just...
Jackpot! Wonderful.
Yay! Hi there.
Welcome to the island of the Wilikin. We are the Wilikin. You have just shifted into our realm, and we are happy to see you. If you want to shift back, go right ahead. But first, why not explore our town? It is filled with friends.
Mace Major.
Oh no, those monsters are not good. Those monsters are bad. Please help us, friend. help us. You are truly friend to the Wilikin. We can help you now. I hear talk about broken ship. I hear lots of things. In next village over, they make parts. Parts to fix your ship. But you must go along cliffs to get there. More monsters there.
Yes! Woohoo! California! Ah!
Time to sleep.
Oh, yeah!
Wilikin World.
Hello, friend. Will you play with me? I give you my key if you win.
Frigid Chompy. Blaster Troll. In Fuego Chompy. Mace Major. Life Spellpunk. Droll Lancemaster. Chompy. Dro Archer. Spiderlings. You win. Stone collected.
You beat me. Why does Rutherford get to guard Key? I am better at Skystones playing. California!
Out of my way.
Time to sleep. world!
Skylanders of the Life Island are stronger in this zone.
Time to sleep!
A common question people have about sky pirates is what they do with all the loot and prisoners they pillage on their in-flight raids. The answer is quite simple. They store it in the hull of their ship. Where else would they put it?
Wilikin world! Time to sleep!
Leading the charge. Out of my way.
Wilikin world!
Hello, friend. Do you notice these strange magical energies that flow inside the cave? Some are good, some are bad. Blue ones are good. Hello, friend. Do you...
Time to sleep! Wilikin world!
You call that a challenge? Don't mind if I do.
General.
Too easy.
See this magical energies on ground? These are mystery. Blue magic make you heal, but don't know where they come from. Just appear one day.
Time to sleep.
Leading the charge.
Wilikin World. Oh my! You made it across the cliffs. So many trolls and chompies and bad trees. You must be strong. More of them come to this village too. Must have been sent by the chompy mage. He is bad, bad, bad. Can you help us?
Are you the maker? I heard about him, but before I was born.
I fear nothing. California!
Wilikin World!
Yes! Take flight!
Have you heard of the Chompy Mage? He is very bad. He is not invited to Wilikin Town, but he comes anyway. He summons all the Chompies, and when we try to stop him, he shifts into other world. But so can you shift. Maybe you can stop him? Maybe I can help you too. Go to his field and I will follow. Ah! Giant Chompy!
Oh, yeah!
Greetings! I am the Chompy Mage, and you are not a Chompy, so I don't like you. Me neither. Now let's see if you can dodge some of my evil magic. Dodge, 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 dodge.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, that's it then. I am through toying with you. Me too.
Hey friend, I can help. Use this to switch into the other world. Bad magic will become good magic.
That's my sneaky trick. Well, let's see how you do with even more evil magic. Yeah! problem here. I'm not in the right form to defeat you. Chompy power!
Cheers for our new friends! Since you defeat bad Chompy Mage, we have repaired your ship, but also make better!
Well, that is mighty kind of you. Thanks. And now it's time to take on Chaos.
Chaos? Oh, we know Chaos. He is the maker. He lives very close to here, but you not get there right away.
Why not?
Because home has big force field around it, but force field comes from Troll Castle.
Yes, that's right. Troll Home Security Castle, keeping home safe for over 35 years.
Well, thanks for the tip. So long, you freaky little weird dudes. For being creepy doll things, those Wilikin did an all right job fixing up the ship.
Thank you, friend.
What are you doing here?
Wanted to come with you new friends on boat. We like you.
But aren't you supposed to be kind of frozen in the real world?
Haha, that is a joke we like to play. Wilikin always alive in all worlds. Now can we show you the new surprise?
Okay.
See? Now use gun to defend ship. No more get shot down.
Hey, how about that? Why don't you give that thing a try?